before Jewish area, all Russian people, this area. All the market, Jewish market in Fairfax. Now 5 years, everything changed. Everything, all the African American people coming and the young kids, change. The old people, some of them passed away, some of them moved from here. But altogether, nice. I'm happy. Before I have all Jewish stuff. Then 2013, business go down. Then I move across the street. Then I see all young kids coming, all tourists coming. Then I opened the second one. I think what I should do, what should I do. Then I bring it to the Jewish jewelry. Then jewelry, sometimes I sell more jewelry to Jewish stuff. Yeah, more. But altogether good, I'm happy. Nice people, happy people, all young. That's nice. No, I'm going to stay forever. Because no more Jewish area. Two market here. That's it, not more. Everything changed.
I think part of the reason is I'm cheap.
And it's not always generic, and you can create your own style, which I love.
What streetwear used to be is just a simple form of expression and individuality and a way of showing who you are through the clothes that you wear.
Instead of going to a store and looking through a bunch of things that other people might have or that are produced recently and on a really grand scale, you get to look through things that people have cherished before and maybe find something extremely cool and kind of elaborate. It's something you can kind of make your own. You get to pick and choose from kind of bits and pieces of other people's lives, which is incredible.
I don't like wearing the same clothes as everyone else. I think fashion is something very personal, and I take it very personal. I like feeling original, and that's like my way of creativity.
I think it would be easier to get to know people who speak my language, but speaking the same language doesn't necessarily mean you have something in common other than your language, but dressing the same means you kind of think the same way or, have a similar style or, school of thought.
Clothes that you find in common, like, oh, I have that shirt, or like, I have that same dress, or like, I agree with that and I like that, so that you can kind of bond with that person more.
In a way, dressing is a style that I got used to and comfortable with my friends, so dressing is easier to connect with my friends in general.
I think in part because when you're wearing certain clothes, you're kind of a part of this bigger community, which is the streetwear community.
Either Japan or America. Supreme Bape, V-Lone, mostly.
I like LA fashion because a lot of it starts here and it just basically goes out from here. Like LA, New York, London, Paris, like those are the places where it definitely starts and grows.